What's up guys, welcome to Supercars of London and the finishing point from our epic road trip. 7 days ago, myself and Seen Through Glass landed in Malaga to embark on a crazy road trip from the south of Spain all the way up into central France and across to Switzerland to the Geneva Motor Show. It is day one of the press day. I am super excited. Even though it is not the biggest motor show, it is by far the most exciting. Pretty much every single manufacturer brings their flagship unveils to here. Let's go head inside and check out some of the biggest and best and fastest supercars to be unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show.
Hi.
What do I need to show you? Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm getting excited already. This is looking pretty cool. About an hour into discovering the Geneva Motor Show, I realised that one, I'm very ill, two, I'm also very tired, and everything's catching up on me. So I'm going to do my best. We're now heading up to what I assume is the Volkswagen Group section of the Geneva Motor Show, where Lamborghini are going to be announcing their brand new £1.6 million hypercar. Oh, it's just a lot bigger than I was expecting. We are about 10 minutes away from the big announcement, and I can imagine this is going to be one of the biggest press conferences. No one has seen the car. They've only released a little video with a render. So, I mean, the Bugatti's been seen. All of the cars pretty much have been launched before the show and are basically on display for the first time. However, Lamborghini have not shown their car yet, so let's go and check it out.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the President and CEO of Automobile Lamborghini, Stefan Winkelmann.
Buongiorno signore e signori.
So awkward that everyone here is using the Porsche stand to look at Lamborghini. So Porsche will be annoyed.
Ladies and gentlemen, the car dedicated to Ferruccio Lamborghini, the Lamborghini Centenario.
have found Mr. JWW. Exclusive, he is buying a new car. We've got the Ford press conference behind. We've got Nimrod there, which produce some interesting cars to say the least. We're going to head over to Ferrari. We haven't checked out the replacement FF, which you're really excited about. Hey, how you doing?
How are you? Sorry to crash your video.
No,
it's not like you're a professional and should know what you're doing. I'm not even a professional YouTuber or anything. Oh, and of course, geez. Oh, come on back here.
No. Well, that was spontaneous. My first meet of Dog Chem 3, and it was on camera.
Yeah.
Well, that was insane. And we've got the new Maserati SUV here, so let's check this out.
The brand new Aston Martin DB11.
That is the end of day one at the Geneva Motor Show. I have to say, it is a lot bigger than I was expecting, and some really, really epic cars. We're now being sort of ushered out this entrance number 55, and we're going to jump in a car, head back to the hotel. I'm going to get this video edited and live for you guys so that you can watch it right now. Hopefully tomorrow I'm feeling a little bit better. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'm feeling a little bit better. Ooh, I think we're going to get in a Vignale, the new Ford Vignale. Hopefully I'm feeling a little bit more with it, a little bit more switched on tomorrow. So after I edit this video, I'm probably going to have a little nap and get some rest so that I can feel really fresh tomorrow, so that we can make a second video, an even better video, get up much closer to the cars that have been there, because that was so packed. All of the press launches and everything, really, really crazy. So we're now in the car on the way back. There's Sam.
You're right, mate. You sound ill.
I am. I don't think I mentioned it once in this video. So yes, hopefully you've enjoyed this video of a little bit of what Geneva Motor Show is like, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for the second part of the Geneva Motor Show. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and then click the subscribe button if you haven't already. And that's it from me. Cheers, guys.